In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a daily checklist in Notion. By the end, you'll have a simple, otsue reusable checklist that lives in your workspace, so you're ready to keep your day organized and on track. Open Notion on desktop or web so you can follow along. We'll start by opening Notion's template gallery, picking a free daily checklist template, adding it to your workspace, and then customizing it so it actually fits your routine. At the top of Notion, click the small drop-down arrow. You'll find it near your workspace name in the top left area. This opens a quick menu that helps you navigate and access extra tools. From that menu, choose Templates. This takes you to Notion's template gallery where you can browse ready-made pages created by Notion and the community. Templates save time and give you a solid structure so you don't start from a blank page. In the template gallery, use the search bar and type Daily Checklist. This narrows the results to checklist and habit-style templates. You'll see options ranging from simple to-do pages to database-powered habit trackers. Look for one that's clearly labeled as free. Click into any option to preview it. In the preview, scan the layout, the properties, and the overall vibe to make sure it matches how you would like to work. If you prefer something lightweight, go with a straightforward checkbox list. If you want tracking over time, pick a template that uses a database with dates and a Done checkbox. When you've found the one you like, click Add. Depending on your version, this button may read Add to Workspace or Use this template. Notion will duplicate the template into your workspace, and you'll see it appear as a new page in your sidebar. If prompted, choose the destination workspace or team space where you want the checklist to live. Now customize the template so it works for you. Rename the page to something clear, like Daily Checklist, and remove any sample tasks you don't need. Add your own recurring tasks as checkboxes. Group by morning, midday, and evening, if that helps. If the template uses a database, keep the date property so you can create a new entry each day, and leave the Done checkbox for tracking completion. You can add reminders to time-sensitive items, adjust icons or cover images for quick recognition, and drag tasks to reorder them in the sequence you prefer. Keep it lean at first. You can always refine as your routine evolves. That's it. Each day, open this page, check items off as you go, and duplicate the entry for the next day if you're using a database. Keep showing up, keep it simple, and let Notion handle the structure while you focus on momentum.